Bonjour.
Hi up.
Bonjour from Central Queensland. We are on our way to Lake Nuga Nuga this morning. We left Brisbane yesterday and we stopped over at Ken's place in Taru. I tell you what though, we woke up, it was absolutely freezing, and I mean cold, like very cold. We had to put gloves on, beanie on, everything. It was really cold. On our way to Lake Nuga Nuga, we had some change of plans. We were planning to go to the Simpson Desert, but it's currently completely flooded. The track from Birdsville to Big Red is closed. So we decided to just postpone it by a couple of months maybe, and we'll try it again later on. So yes, we will be going to just explore Central Queensland again, probably going around Emerald, Sapphire. We really like those places. Last time we were here, we might do a bit of coasting. Who knows, we might become rich. What do you think, Keith? Don't think so though. But it's good fun. It's good fun and very interesting. So anyway, this is beautiful here, nice weather, and we are right now in the floodplains around, probably in between Expedition National Park, Carnarvon Gorge, all of these area. It's not that green compared to last time, isn't it, Keith?
It's probably grass though.
Yeah. But yeah. So anyway, we'll do a little bit more filming at Lake Nuga Nuga, so we'll see you there. Stopping here for a cup of tea. Look at this place here. It's absolutely stunning. On the Dawson River. Looks like a few people are camping around and doing the same as us. So, cup of tea, Keith? Cup of tea. Lake Nuga Nuga is a real hidden gem, where you can find total peace and harmony with nature, as opposed to chasing adrenaline-fueled adventures. Imagine a peaceful getaway surrounded by untouched wilderness, a place where you can kick back and relax. That is exactly what you will find at Lake Nuga Nuga. When you visit, you will be welcomed by gentle breeze and soothing sounds of the wildlife, offering a true escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It is a place where you can relax, unwind, and reconnect with the simple joys of being in nature. take a few seconds to admire this sunset, as the sky transforms into a beautiful mix of warm colors, casting a serene glow on the peaceful waters below. It is simple yet captivating moment, inviting us to pause and appreciate the beauty of nature. Good morning everyone! So this has been our spot for the last couple of nights. It's been awesome, right on the Lake Nuga Nuga. We've seen beautiful sunsets and an absolutely awesome moonset this morning. We woke up very early, didn't we, Keith?
Early.
I was not fast enough to take the picture of the moon setting, but Keith did that, so all good here. But we've been observing the sun coming up. It was awesome. So now we are on our way to Mount Moffat in the Carnarvon Gorge, and we'll see when we get there. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Having you with us as we explored the stunning Lake Nuga Nuga has been truly special. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our exciting adventures. We really appreciate you watching and being part of our community. Goodbye for now and see you soon. Au revoir et à bientôt. Kenavo.